What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're doing a makeup challenge. It has never ever been done before as far as I know of. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty crazy. I just want to say thank you to my friend Rorie for giving me this video idea and coming up with this idea. So thank you, Rorie's Vlogs. I'll link her channel down below, so go give her channel a check out, watch it, like it, subscribe to it, comment, just give her some support. Thank you for recommending me do this video, and thank you for this great idea. This video is we're gonna be doing our whole face using only nature. So it means mud, dirt, nature. So let's go on to a little adventure and find some products. I got some bowls here that we're gonna be putting some products in and making our own makeup from nature. So thank you, Roy, once again. And let's just get this video started and let's go on a little adventure right now. So we are outside looking for some nature stuff we want to be using. Sorry if the sound quality is a little bit bad because we are outside. So anyway, yeah, so I have 3 bowls here. One will be for like foundation, the other one will be for like contour, bronzer, other one for whatever. So I think we found some dirt over here that we're going to be using. So this will make like a nice, probably like a foundation shade. Sorry if the sound is bad, like I already said. So we're just gonna put some dirt up in here. This is gonna be our foundation shade, and it's right under our tomato plants. So now we need to find a contour shade and some other stuff. So let's just keep on looking. So I think I found our next product, which is some orangey looking dirt. So I said the first dirt was going to be like our foundation, but I said my first dirt was going to be our contour and bronzer, but I changed my mind. This dirt is going to be our contour and bronzer. Our first dirt is going to be now foundation. So we're just going to get some of this dirt, stick it in our bowl, you know, really go to town and dig in here. Try not to get so many sticks. But if we get a lot of sticks, we'll just have to take them out. That's going to be our contour and bronzer. And over here, we have our foundation. So now we need to find our eyeshadow, which is probably going to be hard. So we need to find some eyeshadow. So let's go find some eyeshadow. Yeah. Alright, so we are in our garden now, and I think we're going to use some of this for an eyeshadow. So I'm just going to pick a little bit of this up, you know, stick it in our bowl, not too much. Now we're going to move on. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so here's some figs up in here. So I think we got 2 figs, 3 figs. Whoa. So 3 figs for our eyeshadow. Should we get some burnt firewood, charcoal stuff to be black? Probably. So let's pick some of that up. Get some black charcoal. Okay, we got that for our eyeshadows. I think I found our blush, which is going to be some grape myrtle looking flowers. So let's just take some of these off of here. So we'll make a blush. Alright, so we're back in the studio now. So now we have our dirt and all our other goodies. We're just going to start adding some water and all this stuff to get it into a cream. So let me add some water and I'll be right back. I added some more water into this dirt to make a foundation. And let's see how good we can get this mixed up. Oh god, this is going to be a great time. So we got some mud here. Time to mix some more. Alright, so mixing this together. Looks like it's going to be a great time. A good mess. Yeah. I've already started testing it out. It's going to be great. It's going to be a mess. You know, it's going to be a freaking mess. So I'm going to take some of this charcoal, and we got a plate right down here. And we're going to try to break it up. So let's break some up. Oh, wait a minute. What I'm going to do is I'm going to break the charcoal up, make a powder, and then dip on it and put it in my eyes. So that's what we're gonna do for eyeshadow. Now for the figs, let me see. They're so hard. Let's just bite it. Okay, it's not even juicy at all. So we might not even be able to use the figs. To take our little crepe myrtle petals, and we're going to take a little bit of rose water because, you know, it's made out of roses, and we're just going to really spray these petals real good, and we're going to mash them up. Alright, so let's get started into this great idea, which is probably going to be a hot freaking mess. So taking our brush and some of our mud foundation, we're just going to start applying this all over our face. Oh hell. Oh heck. No. What? I don't even know. I don't even know. How's it look? Definitely not my skin tone, but you gotta make it work. You gotta make it work. This is a freaking great idea. Oh hell no. Okay, we gotta get the dirt off, like the dirt clumps, because that's not a good look. We're definitely gonna have to bring this down our neck. Ooh. Who are you trying to fight? Hello, Josh is no longer available. Into our contour. So we're gonna take like a little fluffy paintbrush and we're just gonna move right along to our contour, which is supposed to be a little bit darker. Ooh, yeah. Who are you trying to fight? Hell yeah. Look at this. Ooh. Yeah. Who are you trying to fight? Give me that contour. Give me this natural contour. I look like a big poop. Like a big poop. Ooh, why don't you look at it? Contour his nose. Ooh. You don't have the contour under this chin here. We're not. You know, this is a freaking mess. Like, I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. What to say. Okay, so now we gotta do our eyebrows. So I think I'm gonna go back into the first mud foundation right here because it's kind of dried out a little. We gotta fill our eyebrows in. Oh heck. Oh hell no. What the freak? What the freak? What the freak? What the freak? Eyebrows on bleak, on point, on mud. Ooh, this is like really itchy on my face. Like, it's really itchy. Really not a good look. Really not a good look. Because I'm ready. Oh, hell yeah, boy. So I don't know if this is a safe idea or not, but we're doing it. So do not try this at home. We're going for that smoky black look today. Looking like a raccoon. Oh, shit. Okay, got him eyeball. So I really do not recommend this at all. What you gonna do? We've already got one eye done. We gotta do another eye. We're really going for that smoky, burnt, natural coal look today. If you have not realized that, now you have. Stick some of this in my eyebrows. Stick some of this coal. Look, so I'm just scraping the coal, piece of coal, for my eyeshadow and now for brows. You gotta keep them on fleek. Look at this contour. Look at it. These petals, so let's see what we can get. Ooh, look at that red color. Ooh, look at it. Look at it real good. Ooh, that's nice. Real nice and pretty. Really nice and pretty. Okay, so what am I going to use for a lipstick? Charcoal? Or these rose petals? Because these, I mean, not rose petals. Or these flower blooms. Because, you know, they're not really pigmented, as you can see. So why don't I take some of this burnt coal again and just put some on our lips? Okay, well that's not going to work. Foundation shade, and let's just do some lips. So why not? Ooh, girl, yeah. Get that crusty and busty lip. Who are you trying to fight? Yo, this is amazing. Oh, you know what I just realized? This dark could have poop pee in it. Oh well. Too late to back out now. Should we ever draw these lips if we can? Because I don't even know if we can. Oh, look at that overdrawn. Get it. Oh, I got charcoal in my eyeball. Charcoal in my eyeball. Ooh. She looking snatched. Alright, so I'm just gonna mix up some more of these little flower petals, try to squeeze some juice out of them, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I got some more juice, and we're going to take a little detail brush and see if we can get some pigmentation of this red on our lips, which is not much is coming off. There's a little dib. Okay, this is too bright. Let me see if I can fix this. There we go. Ooh, my lips are going numb. My lips are going numb. Okay, so we're gonna finish this off with some setting spray with rose water. Keep it all natural. This is what you call an all natural makeup, baby. All natural. Ooh. Okay, I cannot feel my lips at all now. So contour on fleek, bronzer on fleek, eyes on fleek, eyebrows on fleek, lips on fleek. I just look like a big poopy mess. So anyway, this was so much fun. Really disgusting, really fun. Not really disgusting, but really fun, really creative. This is what you call all natural, baby. This is all natural. Natural makeup, natural skin, natural everything. Why am I really hyper? I don't even know. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all guys enjoyed it. Hope it wasn't too crazy for y'all. If you recreate this or whatever, just know that I am the original creator of this and that Rorie's vlogs helped me come up with this idea. So thank you so much. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Please leave a comment down below. Tell me how disgusting this looks. Tell me I look like a big poop. And because I already know it. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to leave a like, leave a comment, hit subscribe if you have not already. And I'll see y'all guys in my next makeup tutorial. Alright, bye everyone.